Hello brother and sister. Today I will going to give a review for a telescopic lighter, and in front of us here is the lighter in several color. Now we will look the lighter from a closer look. And this lighter also has a level for adjusting the amount of the light, the fire. And here is the hole for fill up the gas inside the lighter. And now I will going to give it a brief measurement for the lighter. It is around 11.5 centimeter. It is around 17.5. The width is about 3.5 centimeter. The thickness is around 2 centimeter. It's only 30 grams. Okay, I think that's all my short and brief review for this telescopic lighter. Thank you for watching this video.